Scrapheap now pushing farther ahead. It's Scrapheap's race to lose. Anything can happen.
Good. We tested both video systems since first pack. We're just learning the track, and the HDMI for the new HD system was 1,000,000 times better for me. Other pilots, they were reporting less success. But
how was the course for you this year? I saw you zipping through there.
I'm still confused on the gate after you exit the door. I don't get it every time. I've gone wrong way. Other than that, doing great. Track's awesome.
Looking to see your first ace, bringing out Scrapheap. That was a close call. Square tunnel, small reset there for Scrapheap, but he maintains the lead. Here comes your leader, Scrapheap, with an 8 in his pocket. Your Spark Blast champion is Scrapheap. Bravo, but we're still racing. Chris moves across a second. There's third for Q. And we're going to bring Trash Chris across in fourth. So remember,
nice job, man. What do you think? How was the race for you?
Finally. Good job, man.
Congratulations, man.
I haven't won in a while.
What was that like?
I've been to so many events in the last year. And I've just been 7th, 6th, 7th, 6th, 8th. Finally a win.
Nice job, man. Congratulations.
Thank you.
That's right, and I get some giggles from the kids after my little confusion there. But I am planning to brush it off. But again, an amazing run by Scrapheap. That was the run we knew that he had in him, and that was the way that he needed to respond after that frustrating second round of errors after initially securing that race. So I do have word that we have some final placements, and we will go ahead and announce those in our trophy ceremony.
There's somebody by you.
Very, very shortly. We'll show them now, and then we will have our trophy ceremony.